Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, sync. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.